Becky R. of Greenfield, Wisconsin, and Billy M. of Reno, Nevada, challenged us to make a Keep-A-Cube container to see how long we can keep an ice cube from melting. We're going to make our own Keep-A-Cube container out of materials they both used.
Here are the materials that we're going to use to make it. A cardboard box, wax paper, tape, newspaper, aluminum foil, and rubber bands.
Our container has to be less than 1 cubic foot. We're going to have a contest. Caroline and Francis against Eric and me. So are you guys ready?
Yep.
We have to keep the cold air inside.
Yeah.
So if we wrap it, no heat can get into it, and we have to wrap it tight so the heat won't be able to get into it, you know?
Alright.
And so, like...
But that also could keep the heat in.
How?
Because once we wrap the ice cube up, then there's going to be some heat in there. But I think what's yours is a good idea. Just be one layer of wax paper. So you want to do that?
Sure.
Want to put wax paper on top of the newspaper? So just so it'll be a little bit more protection.
Okay.
We should line the box like right here around the sides and the bottom with tin foil. That way, when we line it, the box, it won't be as easy for heat to get in.
If we use tin foil, because what tin foil does, it kind of reflects light, then we'll keep the temperature down inside the box. So if we put, as soon as we fill up the ice cube all settled in here, if we close our box up, then put tin foil around it, maybe it'll refract some of the heat.
Okay, so you mean like, okay, we close our box and the ice cube's inside, and we put that over, then the sun, the light, when it hits it, it'll just go like...
Yeah, and so will the heat. It won't be as hot.
So what we can do is we can hang the ice cube in from the top like this, so it's just dangling in the air. And that way, heat maybe will be able to pass by the ice cube instead of hitting the ice cube.
There's no cracks in this box anymore.
Oh.
And if it gets, it can get humid in there. And then if it gets really hot and it's wrapped up, if it gets really hot, it will melt.
So what if we...
Want to like pop holes in it so it gets air?
Sure.
Okay.
I think we should just do a little more tape though.
On the side. Good. Now we'll get some air.
So now...
And it still has...
Plenty of
tinfoil
on it.
Hold on. Let me get some tape on that side. You guys done?
Yeah.
Yep.
All right,
Come on over.
Keep a cube.
Done?
All right. Now let's put it on this side. All right. So we're both done, and we'll check on our ice cubes in 90 minutes to see whose ice cube is bigger.
All right.
We've got a third ice cube. It's a control ice cube. In 90 minutes, we're going to check if the ice cubes in the boxes are the same size as the ice cube in the bowl.
Look, the control cube melted.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
That is neat.
I know.
That is strange.
It's time to check our own cube.
Oh my gosh. Here.
Here. Okay, here we go.
You guys ready? Let's go.
Can I open it?
And we can both open it.
Whoa.
Did pretty good. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's
That's awesome.
That is tiny.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
They look about the same size.
Here, let's see.
That was,
Oh my
yours is
gosh.
a little bit
A little
bigger.
bit
Just a little bit, though.
That is so close.
Oh, that was awesome.
Good job. Here are the things we did that helped keep the ice cube from melting. We wrapped the cube and prevented warm air from hitting it. We used aluminum foil to reflect heat away from the box. We hung the cube. This kept the cube from touching the warm sides of the box. And we stopped warm air from entering the box by taping all of the holes.
Experiment with ice cubes at home. Find out which works better to keep the heat away from the cube. Wrapping the box in aluminum foil or hanging the cube. You could also use different materials, like a plastic bowl instead of a box, or notebook paper instead of wax paper. Test it out.